Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. My dear students, here we are going to start our day with a meaningful thought. What you think of yourself is a lot more important than what other people think of you. Now everyone get ready with your book, pencil, sit straight. Look at the screen. Write the date and day in this corner. You all know that in previous lecture we learned and write days of the week. Before we start new concept, first we are going to make revision of previous lecture, which you all have to write with me. Days of the week. Now everyone, write down in your book. There are 7 days in a week. I am waiting so that you all can make proper copy. First letter must be capital. Leave some space between two words. There are 7 days in a week. Monday, Monday. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday. Sunday, Sunday. Monday is the first day of the week. Sunday is the last day of the week. So, this was the revision of previous lecture. I hope you all have completed your writing part. Now everyone write the heading. ORDINAL, ordinal. NUMBERS, numbers. I am waiting for some time. Everyone, complete your writing part with me. Ordinal numbers. You all might have a question in your mind. What is an ordinal numbers? Let us see. Everyone, write with me The, numbers, numbers. Which, which. Give, give. Us, us. The. Exact, exact. Position, position. Of, ann. Object, object. Are called, ordinal, ordinal. Numbers, full stop. Ordinal, ordinal. Numbers, numbers. Tell, tell. The. Position, position. Of, ann. Object, object. Rather. Than. There. Quantity, quantity. The numbers which give us the exact position of an object are called ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers tell the position of an object rather than their quantity. I repeat this once again so that everyone can complete their writing part. The numbers which give us the exact position of an object are called ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers tell the position of an object rather than their quantity. Now everyone, first of all, write number 1. Make a dash like this. then leave some space. Again write 1 and on the top of 1 write ST in small writing. What is the pronunciation for this? First. Leave some space. Make a dash again. First letter capital. F I R S T. First. How can we write the numbers in ordinal form? Number 1. First. Spelling is FIRST. First. I am waiting for some time so that you all can copy it properly. Number 1. First. 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 Number 2. Leave some space. Make a small dash. Write 2 and a very small N and D on the upper side. The pronunciation is second. Leave some space. Make a dash. Now write the spelling. SECOND. Second. Number 2. Second. The spelling is SECOND. Second. I hope everyone has completed writing work. Leave one line and then write next. Number 3. Leave some space. Make a dash. First, write number 3, a small R and D on the upper side of this number 3. The pronunciation is third. Leave some space and write the spelling. THIRT. Third. Number 3, dash the ordinal form third. Number name is THIRD, third. Number 4, dash, write number 4 TH. Pronunciation is fourth. Leave some space. The spelling FOURTH, fourth. Number 4, ordinal form is fourth. Number name or spelling is FOURTH, fourth. Number 5, make a dash, write number 5, small th on the upper side. Pronunciation is fifth. Leave some space. Write the spelling. FIFTH, fifth. Number 5, ordinal form is fifth. The spelling is FIFTH, fifth. Number 6, make a dash, 6 and small th, sixth. Leave some space, make a dash. SIXTH, sixth. Number 6, the ordinal form is sixth. The spelling is SIXTH, sixth. What is the pronunciation? Sixth. Seven. Leave some space, make a dash. Write number 7 again, a very small th. The pronunciation is seventh. Leave some space, make a dash. Write spelling SEVENTH, seventh. Number 7, the ordinal form is seventh. Spelling is SEVENTH, seventh. 8, make a dash, write number 8 again, 8th, eighth. Leave some space, make a dash and write EIGHTH, eighth, eighth. Nine. Leave some space, make a dash, write number 9 again, 9, TH. Pronunciation is ninth. Leave some space, make a dash. NINTH, ninth. Number 9, ordinal form, ninth. Spelling is NINTH, ninth. Number 10. Make a dash, write 1010 TH. Pronunciation is 10th. Leave some space, make a dash and write the spelling. TENTH, tenth. 10, ordinal form is tenth. The spelling is TENTH, tenth. So my dear students, today we learn and write ordinal numbers. Along with that, we make revision of previous lecture days of the week. So I hope you all have completed your writing work with me. At your home everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.